This True-Line Automotive window tinting kit stands out because the pieces are cut to the exact shapes of your side and rear windows, so there is no trimming or waste to deal with during installation. The kit lets you choose from several darkness levels for the tint, and even mix shades across different windows, giving you a lot of control over both appearance and privacy. You can also select between dyed carbon and ceramic tint films, which means you can prioritize either basic shading or stronger heat rejection depending on your climate and driving habits. The film is designed to block a very high percentage of ultraviolet rays, which helps protect your interior from fading and keeps the cabin more comfortable on sunny days. Release tabs on the liners make it easier to separate the film without creasing it, which is especially helpful for do-it-yourself installers working slowly and carefully. Clear visual references and vehicle-specific options reduce the guesswork, so patient users can achieve a professional-looking result without going to a tint shop.